Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your home's airflow with something durable, bug-proof, and easy to install, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best magnetic screen doors, chosen for their mesh quality, magnet strength, pet friendliness, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
First up is the MAGZO Magnetic Screen Door, a heavy-duty option that stands out for its robust fiberglass construction. Unlike standard polyester screens, this model uses a high-tensile fiberglass mesh that is fire-retardant and significantly more resistant to tears from pets or high traffic. It fits door sizes up to 32 by 80 inches, making it a standard choice for most front and back entrances. A key feature here is the unique windproof sticker hasp located at the middle and bottom of the screen. This simple addition solves a common annoyance, screens blowing open on windy days, by physically locking the layers together when needed. User feedback is largely positive regarding durability, with many noting that the fiberglass mesh holds up well against cat claws and active dogs. However, some users in very hot climates warn that the adhesive backing can struggle in extreme heat, so reinforcing the Velcro with the included tacks is often recommended for a permanent hold. Next, we have the Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door, often cited as a top contender for its seamless sealing ability. This unit is designed with a heavy-duty polyester mesh and features 52 powerful magnets sewn directly into the reinforced edges. This high magnet count ensures that the door doesn't just close, but seals shut instantly and silently behind you, eliminating those annoying gaps where bugs sneak in. The airflow design focuses on maximizing ventilation while keeping critters out, and it installs in minutes using a full-frame hook and loop system. It is specifically built to be retractable and temporary if needed, making it renter-friendly. Real-world testing from customers highlights the snap factor. Users love that they don't have to look back to check if it closed. It's also praised for being very pet-friendly, allowing dogs to push through easily. On the downside, a few long-term users mention that the black mesh can fade slightly if exposed to direct, harsh sunlight for multiple seasons. Moving on to the third spot, the AUGO Magnetic Screen Door offers a clever feature that sets it apart: patent-pending Keep Open Snaps. While most magnetic doors are designed to shut immediately, there are times, like during a party or when moving groceries, that you want it to stay open. The AUGO allows you to secure the sides to the door frame, keeping the walkway completely clear until you're ready to seal it up again. Constructed from a durable polyester, it is lightweight enough for small children and pets to nudge open without resistance, yet the magnets run the entire length of the center seam to ensure a tight closure. Customers frequently commend the full-length magnetic strip, noting it prevents the flapping sound common with cheaper models that only use spaced-out magnet blocks. While the mesh is tough, some users suggest measuring your door frame precisely, as the bottom edge can drag if mounted too low, potentially leaving a small gap for crawling insects. At number 4 is the Yotache High-Density Door, which targets homeowners battling smaller insects like gnats and mosquitoes. The standout feature here is the 18 by 16 high-density fiberglass mesh. This tighter weave provides a formidable barrier against tiny pests that might slip through standard screens without sacrificing visibility or airflow. It creates an almost invisible look from a distance, blending well with your door frame. Yotache reinforces the top middle section, the area under the most stress, with double-sewn cloth and a logo label cushion to prevent tearing over time. It also utilizes a widened Velcro strip at the top for extra load-bearing support. Owners appreciate the heavy feel of the mesh, often describing it as feeling more like a permanent screen than a temporary curtain. The primary critique found in forums is that the high-density weave cuts down airflow slightly more than wider meshes, but for those in mosquito-heavy areas, users agree the trade-off is absolutely worth it for a bite-free home. Finally, we have the Mdavo Mesh Screen Door, a budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance for the price. This model focuses on simplicity and ease of use, featuring a polyester mesh with 34 strategically placed magnets.
It requires absolutely no tools for installation, relying entirely on a strong adhesive tape system that makes it ideal for apartments or seasonal use. It fits doors up to 38 by 82 inches and includes gravity sticks at the bottom to prevent the lightweight mesh from blowing around in light breezes. This weighting helps the screen hang straight and aligns the magnets for a quicker close. Purchasers often cite this as the best bang-for-your-buck option. It handles high traffic surprisingly well, though some reviews note that the adhesive tape provided may peel paint on older door frames if removed carelessly. It's widely recommended for those who want a functional, low-cost solution for a single summer season or a rental property where drilling holes isn't an option.
And that wraps up the top 5 best magnetic screen doors. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.